G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Flying number 33. I can't believe we're up to that number. There should be a little playlist in the top right hand corner if you knew you want to watch some others. But what these are, there's pretty much where I ramble at the camera and put some flight footage in the background, and today it was kind of some weird footage I put in the background because it was all about, I guess, not shooting a video, not making a video. And I've been thinking about a lot. I caught up with Snake FPV a little while ago, a couple of weeks ago, and he said, you know, you should be flying for the sake of flying and not always worrying about your content or shooting that video, and he's 100% correct. So I want to make a little quick video because it's really such an important message for those of you who you might be getting into the hobby and you're seeing all this crazy stuff on YouTube, and YouTube is such a powerful beast for a hobby. There's so many people that are always worrying about what content they're making, and I can understand if that's your job, that's your profession, you're going after sponsorships, all that sort of stuff, but don't let that consume you completely. You should still be flying because it's fun, just getting out there, enjoying the hobby. And I think a lot of people put a lot of pressure on themselves as well, trying to always shoot for that best content, and that can be a little bit detrimental, I think, to your flying and the things that you want to do. Now, I can completely understand, look, it's a bit ironic or a bit hypocritical for me, a content creator, to talk about that, but I still do set aside some time every week just to put a few packs through and just fly for the sake of flying. And that's really what our hobby's all about. It's just about flying, having fun with your friends, being free. And I think if I just wanted to share a quick little message, if you're a new pilot getting into it, or maybe an experienced pilot who's focusing quite a lot on their sort of on the content or on the videos that they're shooting, you remember why we do this, how much fun it is. Oh, and check the wind out here too. Like, look at that flag, just, oh, that gate absolutely bellowing in the wind. But yeah, overall, look, just enjoy flying for what it is, because it's one of the best hobbies out there, and I'm sure the comments can light up down below as well just how fun it is. And when you take that pressure away, you'd be amazed. Sometimes it can make such a difference. If you go without your GoPro, I can guarantee you're going to have an amazing time. Yes, there might be parts to think, oh, I wish they filmed that, but you might not have had that experience if you had the GoPro on there in the first place. Anyway, I think I crash here. Happy flying, everybody. Subscribe for more FPV related content, and a big shout out to Jono, because this wasn't a nice place to land.
I think it can be, might be in here, I don't know. Might be in the middle of a prickle bush. I thought it landed just behind this bush. It's either in the tree or in the bush.
Where were you when it went down?
I thought it landed right here on the ground, but it might have landed in the bush or in that grass. This is prickles too.
Oh yeah.
Have you found it?
Nah, I'm just getting in. Thing on your video?
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
Like some trees pointing straight up.
So you wouldn't be in this grass then, Stu?
No, I can see something like that. Oh, I can see it.
I got it.
Oh yeah, I don't got it, but I can see it.
Where is it? In the prickles?
Yeah. Is this prickles?
Oh yeah, there is some in the middle I can see.
Can you see
Is
it?
it? Oh yeah. Oh, just a little bit further. I haven't got it yet. Yeah, you lost it.
Fucking big spider in there. Yeah, there was a big cobweb right behind the back of your head. He would have been in there.
Oh yeah, cool.
So, but he's not. He's in the leaf.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Thanks, Jono.
Nice.
You can come anytime.
You're smart as suck on there.